In class 11 business studies, we are on chapter internal trade, and in internal trade already we discussed various topics like wholesalers, services of wholesalers, types of retailers. Already we discussed all these topics. I'm sure you all will see the previous videos and all the details. And we are on retail trade. Retail trade already we completed itinerant. Now we are on large scale retailers, and in previous videos you can see we have completed itinerant retailers, small scale retailers and large scale retailers, departmental stores. And today we are going to start multiple shops. Multiple shops, or you can say another term, chain stores. Chain stores. Multiple shops or chain stores. So here in this topic, first of all, I will show you some slides, then you will be able to understand. See, large scale retailers, second type is multiple shops, and in multiple shops you can see the term is very easy, given in the name itself, chain stores or the stores which are operated by the one proprietor in all over the part of the country. Okay, so see, chain stores, one by one I'll tell you. Chain stores is a system of, please note down, is a system of branch shops operated under a centralized management system dealing in a single line, similar line of goods. This is the key word. Centralized management by the headquarter or head office, and they deal in similar line of goods. Similar line of goods means they generally deal with the same product in all over their branches, in all over their multiple shops or chain stores. But that is controlled, operated by head office, and this is a system which is known in a common language that branch shops. Branch which are situated in all over the part of the country, and they deal or they work in a centralized management system. They deal in similar line of goods. Okay, so centralized management system generally they are doing. Now see, branches of the shops are located throughout the nation, even in the abroad also, under the same name. Please note down, under the same name. This is the key word we can say. Same name, same management. They specialize in one line or two lines of goods like Bata. They are dealing in shoes. Now they are dealing in bags also. But generally the name of Bata is famous for its footwear. Got it? So branches of the shop or multiple shops or chain stores are situated in all over the part of the country, generally in the cities, in the main market where people come to rush, which is in rush area, people comes there. People come there and they deal accordingly, generally in the busy streets or markets. So branches of the shops are located throughout the nation with the same brand, same decoration style, same logo, symbol, dealing strategies. Like if the one branch is giving discount, the other also follow, and one advertisement is sufficient to advertise all the branches of the country. Okay, so generally they specialize in one or two lines of goods. Now see, multiple shops. Generally, multiple shops are organized. Another example. See, one example is Bata. Then second is Bombay Dyeing. Bombay Dyeing. More examples are there of multiple shops being human. Yes, they are dealing their products only. Now see, in Bata, you cannot get the product of other brands. This is the main feature of multiple shops. We can say, see, one by one, okay? Please note down. Then you will be able to okay, so multiple shops are organized by the manufacturers and the aim is to eliminate middlemen. How they eliminate middlemen? See, Bata is the manufacturer of shoes. Now what they are doing? Generally they are the manufacturers. Okay, so they directly, these are the producers. Okay, so producers directly deal with the consumers. So in between, the middleman who includes their profit margins will be eliminated. That's why the products from multiple shops we can get at less price because wholesalers, retailers, brokers are eliminated. Generally, multiple shops are operated, organized and run by the manufacturers and they sell their products only. Okay, so generally what they do, they produce it in bulk quantity and sell through their multiple shops directly to the consumers. Okay, so middlemen are eliminated. Example, few more, which is the Bata Shoe Company, Bombay Dye, KFC, yes, Cafe Coffee Day, Raymond's, Bombay Dyeing Showroom. Okay, KFC is also famous for multiple shops. They sell their products only. Raymond's sell their products only. Cafe Day is also the example of this. Now see, multiple shops. Multiple shops, there is uniformity in advertisement, window display, and interior display of goods. They have uniformity in all over the branches with the same brand name, same brand mark, same symbol, same logo. Generally, what they do, they get the trademark. Means they have legal reservation, legal protection. Okay, so multiple shops is famous for their uniformity. Like their window display is same. One advertisement on national level is advertised all the shops of the country. The next, features of multiple shops. Features of multiple shops, one by one, convenient location. Okay. Convenient location, as just now I told you, that these multiple shops or chain stores are situated in the busy market, in the market of the city. So it's easy and convenient for the customers to approach their centralized buying and decentralized selling. What does it mean? See, centralized means concentration of power. This is head office. And they sell to their branches in all over the part of the country, Jaipur, Rajasthan, Indore, Bhopal, Delhi, Haryana, everywhere they have decentralized system of selling, means their products are available in all over the part of the country. That's why we can say sell is on the basis of decentralized way. Okay, but buying is centralized. Buying means purchasing of goods is on the basis of centralized system, means head office, purchase the raw material, head office, produce the goods, head office, supply the goods to the branches. Now, the branches will sell these goods to the customers. That's why purchasing is centralized, but selling is decentralized, distribution. And centralized management and unified system of control. What does it mean? Centralized management and unified system of control means their management is centralized, means all the decisions taken by head office, okay, all the decisions, what they produce, what rate they will keep, what advertisement modes they will use, if any scheme of discount, sales promotion, that is also same. Even the head office decide about the advertisement and decision related with the branches, everything centralized is there. Centralized in simple terms, concentration of power. And unified system means uniformity. Now features. This is the main feature you can see. Follow cash and carry principle. Cash and carry principle means they deal only on cash basis. They don't have any credit facilities. That's why they don't have risk of bad debts. Because they deal, even the known customers, they deal on cash basis with the proper billing. Like you cannot ask credit facility at the shop of Bata because all the decisions, rules made by the head office, and this is the first and foremost rule, don't give credit facilities. We can say this is also an important feature of multiple shops that they always believe on cash and carry principle, means submit the cash and take the good. Then uniformity in shops design, layout, style, decoration, presentation, window dressing, everything is same. Like to Bata showroom, they will show display generally by the same way. Even the sitting arrangement is also generally they have in the same way. Note down now. Proper inspection from head office ensures the smooth functioning. See, head office have their own teams of inspection of branches. So what they do generally, they do the inspection on regular basis, surprisingly, and they check the accounts, they match the accounts with the stock, they check how they are doing, so there is no possibility of frauds and cheating by the branches because the inspection team will come and check all the functionings. Now, advantages. What are the advantages of multiple shops? What are the benefits? Economies of large scale buying. See, just now I told you that they are the producers. So they purchase the raw material in bulk quantity and they eliminate the middleman. So generally they purchase from raw material from producers, protect and purchase it, produce the goods, and they give higher discount because they purchase and sell in bulk quantity, so their production cost is less, their per unit production cost is less. So even the common advertisement reduce their advertisement or selling expenses. So generally they produce supply goods at less price because they get the benefit of large scale operations. Then elimination of middlemen. Just now I told you the purchase from the producers, produce it and sell to consumer. So in between all the eliminate, all the intermediaries are eliminated. No bad debts. Just this is the point. No bad debts means they follow cash and carry system only. Cash and carry means pay the amount, take the goods. Cash and carry. They don't sell their goods on credit, so no possibility of bad debts. Yes, this is the accounting term. Accounts have some terminology in that part. One term is bad debts. Debts means debtors, those who will pay us the money, to whom we sell the goods on credit. And bad debts means those debtors prove bad because they are unable to pay back the money. So here in multiple shop, there is no possibility of bad debts because they are selling goods on cash. There is no data, so no bad debts because they are not selling goods on credit basis. The next advantage is diffusion of risk. Diffusion of risk means distribution of risk. See, if there one shop is having loss, in Kota, like two shops are there. One is in Mandra and one is in station area. If one is having loss, another can be earning profits. Even we can compare it with the different cities. Then low cost of operation because economies of scale, because advertisement cost is bear by the producer, head office. So there is even the goods supplied by the head office, so no possibility of excess expenditures, so cost of operation is less. And one more thing, unprofitable branch can be shifted to somewhere else. All decisions taken by the head office, if this branch is not earning profit, maybe they close it. Maybe station area is not giving them earning, they can transfer it to other area or merge also. Now, limitations of multiple shops. Okay, what do you think? What are the drawbacks multiple shops are having? According to you, what do you think? What are the drawbacks? First of all, limited choice. See, Bata is dealing with their products only. If you want to get other brands, that is not possible there. Like when you will go to Bata for buying shoes, you cannot ask them to show the other brands of Adidas and Reebok because they have their brands only, their products only. Whatever the products head office supply, they will have those products. So generally, because they deal in single line products or limited products, so they have limited choice. Even customers will also have limited choice. The what the product head office made, the branches will or the chain stores will supply those goods. If you want more color, more features, more design, that is not possible because one product producer's products are available there. Then lack of initiative and motivation. Lack of initiative and motivation is due to centralized control system. There is less chances for initiative from the part of branch manager because branch managers and all employees are getting salary only. So they don't take initiative and much pain to attract the customers to do take the various efforts because they are getting fixed salaries. So they are not working for earning extra. Okay, this is the drawback, but it depends upon person to person, organization to organization. Now the organizations are giving more opportunities to the branch managers like commission on sales basis. So lack of initiative, generally we can see that no personal contact. See, the Bata's owner is somewhere east and we are the customer but we don't know who is the seller. Okay, so and generally we don't have any personal interaction and contact. The seller and buyer don't know each other but risk. See, due to changes in taste, fashion, preference, change in technology, change in customer's choice, change in government policy, marketing, there may be chances of loss. Generally, chain stores have their own brand, their own image. If one branch is doing wrong, that will affect all the branches. Those who are dealing in that product, that will affect all the branches. That is harmful for them. So there is risk due to change in fashion, technology, customers' preference, etc. So today we discuss these things one by one. We have to discuss that what are the multiple shops which are have uniformity in their advertisement, in their products. They supply only those products which are supplied by the head office. They deal only in those products. They are situating at convenient location and main point which I want to tell you that they have centralized buying system but decentralized selling system. Centralized buying system means they purchase from the head office, they get the goods from the head office and sell to the ultimate consumers. Okay. Now cash and carry principle they follow. Cash and carry principle means generally they deal in cash basis, so there is no possibility of bad debts. Then the proper inspection from head office time to time. Large scale buying is doing, they are doing large scale buying means generally they purchase the goods, get the goods from producer and they sell. They don't spend money on advertisement personally or locally. National level advertisement is there. So generally, and they transport the goods. Once they start transporting, they transport the goods, supply the goods to all over the country at all branches, and no bad debts. So there is no risk of bad debts. Low cost because they work on their own rules. Some limitations are always there. See, limited choice, we can say the main drawback. Because we get the products of one company only. And multiple shops cannot fulfill all the demands of all the consumers or all the family members as departmental stores can do. Okay. So if you have any doubt, you can ask.